Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to make Omapodi or save. You can use this as save in your chat recipes or enjoy it as is as a yummy and tasty snack. Start off by making a fine powder of roasted omam powder or ajwain seeds. To a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of gram flour, 1 teaspoon roasted omam powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of hing, and about a teaspoon of salt. To this, add 1 tablespoon hot ghee. You can also use hot butter or oil here as per your liking. Now carefully combine all the ingredients well. Then add water a little at a time and mix to make a soft dough. Now fit the murku press with a fine hole disc, grease the insides and fill in the dough. Squeeze the dough into a pan of hot oil and fry on medium heat. Gently flip over and continue to fry. And once the bubbles reduce, remove onto a tissue. Delicious Omapodi is ready. Please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss our videos.